I'm going to show you how to make a citrus chiffon dessert that is so simple and so delicious. It's like a summer favorite around here. Now, you could go crazy with this by making your own lemon curd and your own whipped cream, or you can take the easy way out and use lemon curd from a jar and whipped cream from the frozen food section, you know, the stuff I'm talking about, in the tub, the dairy-free stuff. It works just as well. No judgment. So we take 1 cup of lemon curd, which is one of my favorite things. I loves it. To that, we're going to add the zest of half a lime. Now, if you go to your, be careful not to get the white, the pith in there. It'll make it bitter. You just want the green. If you go to the spice section in your supermarket, you might see bottled zest. I beg of you, do not buy it, because it is no substitute for the real stuff. The real stuff is so much better, and you're not going to use that much lemon zest probably in your lifetime, or lime zest. I don't know if they make lime zest, but definitely they have lemon. All right. Only about a teaspoon or so of the zest. Now we're going to fold in 2 cups of whipped cream, or non-dairy whipped topping. Just saying. And if you don't know how to make whipped cream, just check out that video up in the corner. All right. And now we're just going to fold it in. Folding. I mean, it looks delicious already. You don't want to fully incorporate it because you kind of want to see the streaks of the lemon and the whipped cream. Then you just put it in individual dessert cups, and that is pretty much it. And there you have your quick and easy citrus chiffon desserts. You can put these in the refrigerator, or better yet, put them in the freezer for, I would say, at least an hour, or overnight. That's fine. And then when you go to serve it, put a little dollop of whipped cream on each one and a berry. Be so pretty. And it's so easy to make. You can make it every weekend. You are really going to like this, I promise you. And as soon as the camera's turned off, I'm going to lick that spatula.